Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to report someone on Discord. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on that person, for example, right? Now, if I wanted to report on them, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on their avatar icon at the top or on their name at the top. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the three dots next to their send message. And then I'm going to see a pop-up window of more than one option. Go ahead and click report user profile. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to follow along the steps right here. And then I'm going to choose, their photo, name, or text descriptors. I'm going to click the last option, which is about me, status, or pronouns. Click on next. And then, select the option, maybe spam, annoying, make me feel unsafe. And then just go ahead and click submit a report. And then they gonna review your request. And then they will approve or deny that this account violates their terms and policies. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.